सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माय नेम इज़ सत्यम सिंह और आज मैं आपके लिए एक नई हायरिंग लेके आया हूँ जो कि डीप जेस्ट की तरफ से, जो कि एक इंटर्नशिप है फॉर पाइथन, रिएक्ट एंड जेंगो। ओके, सो स्किल्स के बारे में थोड़ी बात कर लेते हैं कि आपको इंटर्नशिप करने के लिए क्या क्या स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड है। सो फर्स्ट आपको क्या चाहिए, यू शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ पाइथन एंड जेंगो। ओके, सो व्हाट इज जेंगो? सो जेंगो इज बेसिकली अ वेब फ्रेमवर्क फॉर पाइथन which is used for backend development mostly, but it can be also used for full stack development. And second thing, you should be aware of REST APIs. REST APIs. What is REST APIs and how is used? REST framework is used in Django. Second thing, you should be aware of the React.js, as they has mentioned. It is React.js in Python. So basically, it's a full stack development internship. So React.js, what is React.js? It is a JavaScript library which is used to make reusable UI components. Okay, so if you are aware of any both of these skills, then it should be good for you to go for this internship. Or else, if you are aware of any of them, that is, if you are working on a Python Django, then also you should apply. Or if you are also working on a React.js, then also you should be apply. It will not affect much, but the main thing is you should apply for the internship. You should try your best to apply for any job role that is currently going on in this competitive scenario. Okay, so the details for the internship are so the internship is basically for 1 month, which will start maybe from 14 September, or maybe it will start by the end 1st of October. The last date to apply is for 14 September. The stipend for the internship you will be getting is 5,000, since it is a 1 month internship. So also you will be getting the certificate. Okay, and you will getting uh, you will be getting the some React.js certification and also the internship certification by Deepzest. So the third year and last year students who are looking for an internship or to get their profile or resume much better, they can apply for this internship. I will share the details in the description. If you like my channel, do subscribe and hit the like button so that you don't miss any further internship or job opportunities. Thank you very much.